Hello traders, welcome to the channel. I'm your host, Running Forward. The whole trading world is waiting for NVDA to report earnings. I'm waiting with them. But in the meantime, I'm also working on my watch list. Today, I want to share with you some of the stocks and ETFs that I'm keeping an eye on. This is for educational purpose only. These are not financial advice. The market is bullish. Looking at SPY or QQQ or DIA or even IWM, you can see that they're bullish. QQQ may be the one that's um, a little uncertain because you may review this as a head and shoulder pattern. So don't know what's gonna happen, but everything else is bullish. So most of, if not all, the stocks and ETFs on my watch list are bullish charts. The first one is XLF, financial sector. As you can see that, this trend is going up. The longer trend or the shorter trend is, they're both going up. So, and if you look at the indicators, the 50 is getting really close to the 200. Or maybe this is the 20. Sorry, this is the 20. Let me change that. 200. Okay, so the 50 is above the 200. That was the 20, the pink line there. But as you can see that the 50 is also trending up, it's pulling upward. And what I'm doing right now, I'm not going into this ETF. I'm not trading. I'm waiting for the earnings for the other shoe to drop. So I put this on the watch list because it is, to me, it is pulling back to trend, and then I'm hoping, I'm waiting for it to settle and then give me a clear signal whether to go up or down on this one. So the other one I have is EEM. Same situation, similar. So we had a very happy day for bulls on Friday. So right now the candles are consolidating within that green candle, and then there's another one in the same boat, XRT. It's also have small indecision doji candlesticks within this green candle that was formed last Friday. So I'm waiting for them to um, pull back a little bit more or consolidate, and waiting for the buyers to step in before I get in to ride with the long traders. Um, there is another one, GGLL. This is the ETF for Google, 2x. This one is doing pretty much the same thing. And this one, if you look at the indicators, the 50 recently just crossed above the 200 SMA. So that's a plus. And as you can see that this one gapped up Friday last week, and then it actually it went up again yesterday on a Monday, and now it's has showing some indecision, which is good thing because we want the price to pull back so that we can enter with a lower risk like that somewhere here, and then um, then the reward will be better when we have a lower risk. Or you may want to look at some other stocks that has been beat pretty badly, but now is showing some signs of wanting to move up again. AEVA, this one is, if you look at the daily chart, it has formed a double bottom near the bottom price is about 30-ish, and now it's wanting to go up. So this one, the of course, for me, the stop loss is beneath these two candles here. It's about $13-14 maybe. And if we go in right now, the risk is about 5-6%. Can get my mouse to work with me. 6% maybe. But then the reward, the potential reward is gonna be very handsome. It's gonna be way over that. I'm not saying that the price will go from where it is right now straight up to the 50, but you see the potential. Another one like this is CNC. This one, the price has been um, beat up pretty badly as well. But then if we zoom in, and we can see that it it was big candles coming back down, big gap down, and then big candles, and then once it get to this price area about 25, 30-ish, the candle got a lot smaller, especially in this week, these trading days, and then now it went up a little bit. And then what it didn't just drop down. What it did, it was consolidating. As you look at these candles, these up days, they're gap ups, big gap ups, and now it turned to doji consolidating. So this one, the risk, probably want to put it somewhere down below those two red candles. It's about, maybe give it a little bit more room. Um, but as you can see, even if you give it more room, it looks like we have a very low risk entry. And then the first target is to get to the 50, which is about 17%. And then if it can go up from there, next target will be the top of this red candle, this gap down. That's 29%. And then if it can get above the 50 and then tackle this one, this top of this candle here, maybe it has a shot of going up and eventually closing this gap. There will be 80+% possible return, but that's gonna take a long time. I think it's not gonna happen in a day, or definitely not in a day or a week, or even a month. But it has potential, and right now it looks like that we have a low risk entry. So there is a lot of good bullish charts out there, some good bearish charts as well. But just keep working on your watch list, wait for um, how the market will react to the NVIDIA earnings report before you go in. Patience means profit. So um, don't ask me how I know, but I like to get into trades way too often than I should be. But what I found out that is that when I started to slow down with my trading, be more picky with the stocks or ETFs that I choose to trade, I can make more. So hopefully you find some value in this video. Um, if you like this kind of content, give me a thumbs up or comment in the video below. Until next time, bye for now.